Good day to you, everyone. I want to show you my result for today based on my EA, my robot, and I would like to show you the result for today, a week, a month, and for 3 months. The trade was actually taken by Joe EA. So let me show you the result. This is the result for today so far, and for a week, for last week, this is what the robot actually made, and for a month, for last month, and here is it. And you see the money withdrawal already. This is a live account. And then for 3 months, the last 3 months, and here is it on a low key. The robot has been consistent for months, and this is on live account, and right now I have only one trade running, which is EU Euro USD, and that's the only trade that is running for now. It's actually a good uh, robot. So the robot is still on sale just for $150 if you need it. Make money on the autopilot. You don't have to be there. Just attach the heel on VPS, and you will be good. This is just what I want to show you for now. If you are interested, kindly chat me up. Bye for now.